What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you wake up early? Yes, I do. 3. Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Yes, I do. 4. Do you wash your face? Yes, I do. 5. Do you take a shower in the morning? Yes, I do. A. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat rice and eggs. 7. Do you drink coffee? No, I don't. Do you drink milk? Yes, I do. Do you cook breakfast? No, my mother cooks. Do you help at home? Yes, I do. Do you make your bed? Yes, I do. 12. What do you wear to school? I wear a school uniform. Do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I do. 14. Do you listen to music in the morning? No, I don't. Do you read the news? No, I don't. What time do you leave home? I leave home at 7 a.m. 17. How do you go to school? I go by motorbike. Do you walk to school? No, I don't. Is your school far? No, it isn't. Are you late for school? No, I'm not. Do you pray in the morning? Yes, I do. Do you watch TV before school? No, I don't. Do you eat fruit in the morning? Yes, I do. 24. Do you feel sleepy in the morning? Sometimes. 20A. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I do. 26. Do you drink water in the morning? Yes, I do. Who wakes you up? My mother wakes me up. Do you set an alarm? Yes, I do. Do you smile in the morning? Yes, I do. Do you feel happy in the morning? Yes, I do. Do you clean your room? Yes, I do. Do you pack your bag? Yes, I do. Do you forget your homework? No, I don't. Do you eat quickly? Yes, I do. Do you talk to your family in the morning? Yes, I do. Do you wear shoes or sandals? I wear shoes. Do you hurry to school? Yes, I do. Do you say goodbye to your family? Yes, I do. Do you bring lunch? Yes, I do. Are you ready for school? Yes, I am. What time does school start? It starts at 7:30 a.m. Do you like your school? Yes, I do. What is your favorite subject? English. Do you like math? No, I don't. Who is your teacher? Mr. John. Do you sit in the front? Yes, I do. Do you take notes? Yes, I do. Do you ask questions? Yes, I do. Do you understand the lesson? Yes, I do. Do you have many friends? Yes, I do. Do you eat at school? Yes, I do. 50. What do you eat for lunch? Rice and chicken. Do you share food? Yes, I do. Do you play at break time? Yes, I do. What game do you play? Football. Do you use a computer at school? Do you have homework? Yes, I do. Do you talk in class? No, I don't. Do you listen to the teacher? Yes, I do. Do you study hard? Yes, I do. What time do you go home? I go home at 5 p.m. Do you do homework? Yes, I do. Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Do you help your parents? Yes, I do. Do you cook dinner? No, I don't. A telephone so 160 a daily routine evening. Night routine. 161A. What time do you eat dinner? B. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. Do you take a shower at night? Yes, I do. Do you brush your teeth at night? Yes, I do. Do you read before bed? Yes, I do. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Are you ready for tomorrow? Yes, I am.